Okay, today I'm going to prepare sweet dinner, and I was thinking about pancakes, but it's some kind of what's that, mixture of it, because technically they are not pancakes, and the ingredients are a little bit different. But let's see. Well, so 2 eggs, but for this recipe I need to warm up the milk a little bit. So maybe place here. So what I'm going to do is to maybe I start with, yeah, you see I need 1 cup, and I only have like 1 measuring cup. I just lost it. well. So this gives us a little bit of a problem because I cannot measure milk. Oh, I actually have 1. Oh, that's great. So here's 1 cup is here. Okay, where's another one? Oh, it's here. Okay, it's here. So this one is waiting for milk. So I'm pouring milk. Where's 1 cup? Again, here. But like a lot of notification are outside here, like written here, 1 cup, 8 ounces, and so on. So it's really confusing, but this is 1 cup, and I'm pouring 1 cup here into the cooking pot. I think this one has a specific name, probably CR. Not remember. A little bit warmer than the current, about maybe 3 minutes. Not sure about that. So put it aside. And for this, I'm going to use extra light. I need to see the flour. So this is the perfect way to do it. So 1 cup of flour and half a teaspoon baking powder. Half, okay? Half. Really like minimal like this. Place it here. Put it aside, just not to double the amount. We don't want that. What's happening here is, it looks like there is no bubbles here. So this one's a little bit of a challenge because it's, here's, okay, it wasn't a challenge. So I'm done with, I think I need to place baking powder into the fridge to maintain freshness or something. And now I'm sifting flour, like that. I'm done. Just here, and just let me taste the milk. Oh, it's still cold. So what am I going to do? In the meanwhile, okay. Just need to double check the expression. Okay, now milk is warm. So I can, what was that? Oh, timer. So I can place milk here, pour it onto the eggs, and I need to get able to cut apples, peel off apples, and then cut them and place into a food processor, but I just realized it didn't. Oh, what's happening here? Like, it's always not enough space for me. Oh, what was that? Just, I think I need to place, no, maybe not, just leave it like that. Oh, that's like, that's fast. And I'm going to add this one, but like in parts. So a little bit of flour, a little bit of starring, again, flour starring, that's Azealia. Oh wow. Just like that because I'm not sure if I'm going to use more. Just let me check. I'm using this type of, what's happening here? That's it. I'm going to use that kind of spoon. Yeah, I think the consistency, look at this. Consistency is perfect, especially taking into account that we are using a vegan milk. I think there's a was mistake before for a noun. So this is the perfect consistency. So this one goes to the fridge, and now it's time to add some apples. So let's start with washing our apples. You can use some conventional. Oh my God, I'm saying this myself. So you can use regular apples or organic apples. It's up to you. I bought organic apples because I usually eat them with the skin on, so I don't peel them off because fiber is outside. It's in upper layers of the apple, so that's my reasoning. But for this recipe, I'm going to peel off the skin, so like that, and I'm not going to use it. So this is probably because of the color, because of the texture, mostly texture. So you can use grater, but it takes a lot of time. So what I'm doing here is I'm going to cut this into pieces like this, and use it food processor to do the work for me. So this is my idea. I'm a little bit worried about it. The texture, I think it's good. So I need to try one. Like, it's my habit to try raw food before cooking, right? So I cannot stop that. So I'm going to use a bigger holes and a grating plate. So this one is perfect. So yeah, it's sturdy. Okay, it's too short. Let me move it, and yeah, power. It's something like this. I think I can start warming up the pan. I usually use the stainless steel pan, but I think mine is like dirty, and I'm too lazy to wash it. Or to be honest, I think it's easier to use non-sticky pan. Okay, because I'm going to fry, let's say pancakes, like 2 or 3 runs. So that's the main reason. And with stainless steel, you need to change the pan. Oh, it doesn't. Okay, so what am I saying? Okay. I just realized I think I need another sieve. No, this is like too small. So I think I need to use my hand for this, like that. But I think the mixture is not super wet, so I don't have to drain it super carefully. And then I'm going to add, wow, that's a lot of Like, it looks like it's a lot of apples here, right? So maybe just stop with some part. Oh my god, wow, this is like, I don't know what I'm talking about. I'm just surprised that that's a lot of fruit here. Maybe this is not the best tool to do the job. I just thinking what to do. Maybe I'm going to use some spoon for that. Hard to say. Like, this one is like super inconvenient. So maybe the better way is to just use spoon like that. Yeah, that's a lot of apple. Yeah, I'm going to eat that one because it's delicious. What I'm doing right now is I'm adding olive oil because I don't have canola oil. Probably canola oil is much better than olive oil, especially for frying corn, right? Wow, delicious. Honeycrisp is my favorite. Wow, very delicious. Oh, what's happening here? It's like uneven surface, I guess. Oh man. I just want to I'm hungry. Please don't judge. Or judge, whatever. Do what you want. Okay. So, yeah, I think I need to fix that because it looks like it's a little bit. Yeah, I see it. See, please look at the frying pan. It's like, I think it's not even that. That's oh, what's happened? Oh man, I'm fighting here. Yeah, this is not perfect because I'm using stainless steel spoon for the non-sticky pan. That's why I'm switching to the wooden one. Let's do it like this. So, what's this? Yeah, that's my bad. I just use it. Oh, and timer 2 minutes. Let's go with 2 minutes. It looks like I have too much of apple here inside. And here's like, I don't want to. I just need to double check. Where is my cup? Oh man, it's here. Oh, I'm going to prepare a space. There. Oh, what's this? This one is, I think this one is clean. I didn't use that. Oh, maybe I'm going to use blue plate, to reduce appetite. Because when, whoa! Oh man, again, it's like my lens. Okay. The challenging part is to change sides. So I'm waiting for the sign, but it's not easy, So maybe I'm going to use the silicone one, that one, to just spot it in here. I'm not sure. I think I need to change the side, but I need some kind of helper here. Like, it's not a lot of space for me to operate. Oh, I can do that, okay. But in case you don't have a lot of space, you can place one pancake aside, and then go for the rest. Oh, look at this, what's happening? Not enough space. But this way, I'm more comfortable with flipping them, so we don't have a catastrophe like that. Just let me remove that. Oh man, I placed it. No, it's not. Oh, it's outside. Oh. Yeah, it looks like 4 is the maximum capacity for this. This one is like, oh, and yeah, this is not great because you can only use like full minutes. You cannot go in halves. You cannot go with 1.5. So that one is confusing. So I was thinking before serving pancakes, you can make it a little bit less fatty. And by less fatty, I mean you can reduce this. I show you. Yeah, this one is like dirty. You can use double, 2. Oh, okay, 3. But usually you can use 2 sheets of paper towel like that, and place pancakes onto this. So 10 seconds to go. Yeah, this one is ready. Place it here. This one is ready as well. And this one is also ready. And when we are waiting here, maybe this little fella. Oh, whoa, what was that? What I'm going to do is I'm going to finish this too, and then add some olive oil, and finish the rest. That's the idea. Oh, what was that? Oh, this one is like, what's happening, This one is like, so this one is ready. Place it here. But this one is like, I don't know, this one, let's add some olive oil. I'm going to check. Let's say this one. So I'm just cutting. Let's see inside. Yeah, that one is good. Let me taste it. It's good. Okay, so I'm going to place that one here. Let's make sure it's ready. You're going to add 2 minutes. And the idea to preparing this pancakes would be to just like that. I need that to grab all. Place it here, place it here, place it there. This is powdered sugar. Oh, that's a lot. Yeah, oops. Whoa. Let me place here. Okay, so a little bit of, whoa. So a lot of cooking is just waiting for food to be ready. So you need a lot of patience to cook anything. But usually when you watch cooking programs, they don't show you the waiting period. It's a lot of waiting. So an additional 30 seconds, but I don't have 30 seconds here, so 1 minute. Just need to look at the screen to make sure I'm not over the board. Overboard, yeah. So this, I think I can use the same one. Okay, so it's ready. I'm using that one, place it here. If you want to be super lean, use the recipe. But if you're using this recipe and you want to be fit and all, you just grab paper towel and this like that, a little bit with that. Okay, off. Okay. One here, and this one goes into. Let me grab that one. Like this. So I'm cutting in half, and the bigger one goes here, and the smaller one goes here. And of course, where's nice sifter out here? And of course, I'm using powdered sugar. What's the name? Powdered sugar. Yeah, that's the name. Look at this. Maybe more, maybe. So this is the result, the smaller portion, the bigger one. Dun, dun, dun. Thank you for watching and happy cooking.